helps you to identify
Defining
what
between two different types.
types. No,
Types or forms
no, no, no,
or
no,
two
not really.
different things.
Two different tuples. The proper word is tuple. Two different tuple, or you can call it as a record. या आप बोल सकते हो दो रो के बीच में difference करने के लिए we have to have a key, because row does not have a row name. Column you can differentiate between one column and another column on the basis of the column names, but row does not have a row name. So because of that, we have to identify any one attribute which holds all the values as unique, and that attribute can be identified as a key attribute. Is it clear? Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have seen the different types of keys. So in totality, there are six different types of keys. The first one is called as the super key. Then we have the candidate key. Then we have a primary key. We have alternate key. We have composite key, and we have foreign keys. So these are the six different types of keys. In that, I think we have covered the first type of key, which is called as a super key. So what is a super key? What is a super key? It is same as the key. जो key हमने definition पढ़ा था, it is just similar as that. It is either a single attribute or it can be a group of attribute which will help you to uniquely identify, each tuple. Okay, so that we have covered. I think I'll just quickly take an example. मैं एक example ले लेता हूँ. So I think yeah. So in the last class we have taken the example of a student uh, table or a student relation having four different columns. The first one was called as a roll number, second was called as a name, third one we have the department, and then we have the course. So अगर इसमें अगर आप देखोगे, so ऐसी कोई कॉलम है जिसके अंदर सारे के सारे एलिमेंट यूनिक है, ऐसा कोई कॉलम है, which is the column where all the elements are
Roll
unique?
number.
It is roll number. So every value in the roll number column is unique. So we can make roll number as the key attribute. Okay, या super key उसको हम बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so I'll just आइडेंटिफाई. तो रोल नंबर हमने क्या किया, इसको की में आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया. उसके बाद नेम, कैन नेम बी अ सुपर की? Can is the
No.
value of name different? No, because at the row number one and the row last row we have the name which is similar, so that cannot uniquely identify each record. So name cannot be a super key, so we'll just cross it. Then what about department? Department is same, so will it be super key?
No.
No, so department cannot be a super key. What about course? In this
Yes,
case,
it can be.
No.
it can be. It can be because DBMS is a course, PCPF a course, PCOM is a course, Java is a course. But currently we have only 5 entries. So till now, yes, we the course can identify each row. आगे का पता नहीं, but till now, as per the entries that we have, till now we can have each student are having only one courses, so we can identify each row with their of courses. Okay, is this point clear? Is this point clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so it is as per the developer. अगर developer को लगता है कि course जो है एक बंदा multiple course ले सकता है, या in a single course multiple student can be there, in that case course cannot be identified as a super key, क्योंकि हो सकता है B भी DBMS prefer करे, C हो सकता है D जो है वो Java की जगह PCOM prefer करे, so that there might be a chances कि multiple student might enroll into single courses. Okay, so अभी फिलहाल ER डायग्राम हम नहीं देख रहे, हम सिर्फ इस टेबल को देख के ये बता सकते हैं कि कोर्स कैन आल्सो बी कंसीडर्ड एज अ की. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
या.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then we can have the combination also. We can have a composite key also where multiple attributes can be together form a key. So roll number and name के combination से 1A, 2B, 3C, 5D, 4A, can this act as a super key? Combination of attributes, can it act as a key?
Yes.
So over here it can act as a key. Both attribute can join together and form as a key. Similarly, roll number, name and department, can they work together? Roll number, name and department, three attributes at a time, can they identify? Yeah, it can do. Roll number, name and department can also do. What about name and department? Just name and department. Name and department?
No.
No, because again at row number 1 and row number 5th we have A and IT as the common values, so that cannot be considered as a super key. So and what about the combination of all the attributes? Combination of all the attributes? सारे के सारे attributes अगर roll number, name, department, course सब रख लोगे तो भी हो जाएगा super key?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what we can calculate out of it. ये हमने देखा है. अब just for your exercise, I will just give you a question. There is a relation, there is a table called as, let's say, table 1. Is yellow visible or should I switch to black, white?
विजिबल है सर.
Okay, so table के अंदर, let's say, table के अंदर we have got 4 attributes which are A, B, C and D. Okay, we have got E भी रख लो एक. Okay, we have got 5 different attributes. Okay, out of this, A is a key. A is a super key. Yeah, A is a super key. Okay, yeah, A is a unique value, and D is also considered as a super key. Okay, D is also considered as a unique key. Okay, so out of this, can you make बाकी B, C and E are having repeated values. Okay, so out of this, can you find out the different combination of super keys that we can have? What are the different combinations that we can have? If I make the different combination of super key, what are the different combinations that I can have? Can I just have A as the super key? Can A considered as a super key?
Yes.
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 What about B? Just B. Can
No.
it be considered a super key?
No.
What about C? What about C?
No.
No.
What
No.
about D?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Can be considered as a super key. What about E?
No.
No.
No. Now make a combination of attributes. So with A, what are the combination I can make?
A B
A B, then
A C
AC.
A C,
A D and A E.
A D, and A E.
AE.
Yeah. Then what about BC? Can we have BC as a combination?
No.
No. So BC is not allowed. What about combination of 3 keys with A? ABC, can we have ABC?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
E can be there. What about ABE? ABE can be there.
Yes.
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 We can have ABE. Then we can have or by combination with A. Any other combination with A? In 3 form.
A B C D.
ADE.
ACE. Yeah, we can have ACE.
ADE.
ACE. Then we can have ADE. Good. और कोई combination बन रहा है? With 3.
ABD.
ABD. ABD नहीं लिया हमने. नहीं लिया. ABD. Okay.
ACD.
Then we can have ACD.
CDE.
Then we can have CD. A का हो गया पूरा complete in 3 combination.
Yes.
Okay. Now with A, with 4 combination. With 4 combination.
ABCD.
A B C D.
A B C D.
A B C E.
इसके अलावा
ACDE.
ACDE. The order of attribute
ABCE.
will not play an important. यानी अगर मैं ACDE को ADC लिखूंगा, that is same only. Okay, so the order is not important. It can be none in order, but it will be considered as only single entity. Okay, एक ही consider किया जाएगा. So ADC या ACDE लिखूंगा तो भी same होगा.
ABC.
ABCE.
CE.
Yeah. Okay, A, B, C and E. बराबर. और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन? बस इतना ही है. इतना ही होगा.
O D D E.
ABDE.
A B D E. A B D E. और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन? नो कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर 4. बस इतना ही ना. Okay, 5 combinations.
ABCDE.
So we'll have only one combination, which will be A B C D E. Okay. So these are all super keys. उसके अलावा we'll go with D now. D के 2 combination बताओ. With D, 2 combinations.
DA.
AD is already there, so DA cannot be there, right?
D B.
DB.
DB कहीं define किया है आपने? नहीं किया है. So DB.
DC.
D C and D.
DC.
DE.
and DE. Any other combination?
No.
Okay. With 3 combination with D as one of the attribute.
D, B, C.
BCD. BCD can
DBC.
BCD can be there, right? लिखा है हमने कहीं BCD?
Yes. No.
No. So BCD will be there. उसके अलावा CDE can be there. CDE.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. CDE will be there. उसके अलावा और कोई
BDE.
combination? BDE. BDE. Any other combination?
No.
Okay. And with D as 4 attribute,
B, C, D, E.
so we can have B, C, D, E. Any other combination? Any
No.
other combination? No. With 5, we can have any other combination?
No.
No. A, B, C, D के अंदर वो include हो जाएगा, right? So how many? Just count the number. How many we have? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
24.
6. The total number is 24.
Yes.
Yeah. So the total number of super key that is generated is 24. Okay. So अभी हमें क्या करना है? इतने लोग participant हैं, इनमें से हमें candidate find करना है. We have to find out कि who are the attributes or what are the combination of attributes that can be considered as a candidate key. मतलब इस 24 में से और shortlist करेंगे, वो बनेंगे candidate key. उस candidate में से किसी एक को primary key choose करेंगे and बाकी will become the secondary key or alternate keys. Okay. So this is the overall look एंड फील कि सबसे पहले हमें सुपर की आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सुपर की के अंदर से इसी की में से कोई कुछ कैंडिडेट की बनेंगे और उसी कैंडिडेट की में से कोई एक प्राइमरी की बनेगा और बाकी के सारे सेकेंडरी की हो जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो एक तो ये पॉइंट हो गया सुपर की का. सुपर की इज नथिंग बट इट इज a key or it is a combination of key or a group of keys which will help in uniquely identifying my each tuple. Okay. Second point क्या है इन सुपर की? अगर मेरे को लेट्स से अगर हर एक if every individual key was a unique key, okay, if every individual attribute was a unique key, so how many maximum number of super key is possible? So for that और max super key अगर आपको find करना है, what is the maximum super key is there? So maximum super key can be identified by the permutation, the combination that we can have. We can have each key as individual key plus we can have a combination of 2 keys, then we can have a combination of 3 keys, then we can have a combination of 4 keys, and then we can have a combination of 5 keys. Okay, so this is the maximum number of keys which is there. ये कभी कब possible है? When every value in A is unique, every value in B is unique, when every value in C is unique, when every value in D is unique, when every value in E is unique. So generally दो एग्जाम में ये पूछा नहीं जाता है, लेकिन MCQs में अभी आपको पता नहीं, शायद ज्यादातर एग्जाम जो होंगे that would happen in MCQs. So definitely the MCQ question is important over here. So the maximum number of super key that is allowed in a relation is given by 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3. It depends on the number of attribute that you have. So 5 that we have over there is the number of attribute. अगर वो 4 होगा तो 4C1 हो जाएगा, 4C2 हो जाएगा, 4C3 हो जाएगा, 4C4 हो जाएगा. Is it clear? So what is the formula of 5C1? NCR का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Does anybody know the formula NCR?
Factorial upon 1 factorial into
N
5
factorial
minus
upon
1 factorial.
R factorial upon
Into
N minus
5 minus 1.
R factorial. यही है ना फॉर्मूला?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So what is the value that we can get out of 5C1? 5 factorial upon
5 factorial upon 1 factorial into 4 factorial.
4 factorial. So 4 factorial से वो कट जाएगा, बचेगा ऊपर 5, right? So what will be
Yes.
remaining? 5. What about 5C2? 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 5 was a 20, 20 divided by 2. I think कितना हो गया? 10 आएगा ना? 5C2 की वैल्यू क्या है?
Yes. 10.
10. What about 5C3? Again 10, I think.
Yes. Yes.
So 10 आएगी.
And then
What about
another.
5C1? 5C1? Sorry, 5C4. 5C4. My mistake. 5C4?
5.
5. What about
Five.
5C5? 1.
1.
So
1.
tell me the total count. 31 I think. 31. So 31 काउंट आता है. अगर मैं लेट से मेरे पास 4 एट्रीब्यूट के लिए फाइंड करना है, ओके, अगर एक टेबल के अंदर 4 एट्रीब्यूट है, सो व्हाट इज दी, अगर हर एक एट्रीब्यूट की यूनिक वैल्यू है, आई हैव गॉट A, आई हैव गॉट B, आई हैव गॉट C एंड आई हैव गॉट D एज द 4 एट्रीब्यूट एंड ईच एट्रीब्यूट आर द यूनिक एट्रीब्यूट. ओके, कहीं पे रिपीटेशन नहीं है. एवरी की और एवरी एट्रीब्यूट इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ की. So what are the maximum number of super key that is supported? What will be how we can calculate? We can have 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4. So what is the formula for what is the answer that we can get? 4C1 का answer is
4.
4. 4C2 का answer is
6.
6. 4C3 का answer is 4. 4 and 4C4 is 1. So what is the answer? 15.
15.
So can we conclude that the formula of getting max super key is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1? Can we say that, where n is the number of attributes that we have? Can we conclude that? So
Yes.
अगर मेरे पास 5 एट्रीब्यूट है, तो 2 raised to 5 is 32 minus 1 will give you 31. अगर मेरे पास 4 एट्रीब्यूट है, तो 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 1 is 15. Are we getting the correct answer? So
Yes.
we can say that,
Yes.
that the formula for finding the maximum number of super key, maximum, I'm telling about maximum, okay? ये जो example देखा था, it is not possible over here. We can have only 24 key. But अगर A B की होता, B भी की होता, C भी की होता, D भी की होता और E भी की होता, in that case the maximum number of super key that we can generate is 2 raised to n minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
please note down that formula. The maximum number of super key. The maximum number of super key that can be generated out of a relation having all the keys as unique. The maximum number of super key that can be generated out of a relation if each key is a unique key is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Is it clear? Is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll go to the next topic. The next topic is called as candidate key. Okay, so write down the new topic as candidate key. Okay, so first we'll look into the definition of candidate key. First we'll define what is a candidate key, and after defining the candidate key, we'll just try to formulate or we'll just try to identify कि candidate key कैसे निकाली जाती है. Okay, first of all, candidate key जो है, it has to be part of super key only. So within super key it should be there. So can we say that candidate key is a subset of super key? Can we say it like that? अगर super key में से ही कोई candidate key होगा, that means candidate key should be present in super key.
Yes.
So can we use the term called as subset over there? I hope you remember
Yes.
what is subset, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
please
sir.
write down the point. Write down the point. Candidate key is a super key. Candidate key is a super key. Candidate key is a super key where proper subset of it is not a super key. I'll repeat again. Candidate key is a super key where proper subset of it is not a super key. Okay, so इसके अंदर एक there is a mathematical term which is proper subset. We'll be defining that. What is a proper subset? Before defining that, I just want you to write down the second definition of it. The second definition, the second point in candidate key is that candidate key is always is always a subset of a super key. Candidate key is always a subset of a super key. The third point in it, the third point is it is referred to, who is referred to? Candidate key. We are talking about candidate key. So it is referred to minimal of a super key. Minimal, not minimum, it is minimal. M-I-N-I-M-A-L, minimal of a super key. So candidate key can also be called as a minimal of a, or it can be referred as a minimal of a super key. So what is minimal? We'll just be looking into that. So अभी तक हमने क्या देखा है? हमने देखा है कि कोई भी की जो होगी, every key that we have in candidate key has to be part of super key. वो super key के अंदर होना ही चाहिए. And second, the most important point is that that key should be a proper subset. Okay, there is a term called as proper subset. So we'll be discussing that. Is this point clear to you? Should we go to the
Yes,
proper
sir.
subset? Okay. So we'll take the previous example only. यहाँ पे हम example ले लेते हैं, which is the example that we have taken A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I'll just erase few part. Just give me a sec. Yeah, I will just try to erase what we have taken. So in this case, we have got A and D as the only key. Okay, हमारे पास A और D ही एक key है. हम क्या करते हैं इसमें से candidate key को find करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay. So yeah, before that, I just want to tell you कि super key क्या होता है. Okay, sorry, proper subset क्या होता है? What is a proper subset? Okay, so I'll just help you in telling that. So proper subset is nothing but okay. So proper subset से जाने से पहले, let's say मेरे पास दो set है. I've got S1 and I've got S2. Okay, S1 has 1, 2, 3 as the three entities defined in that set. मतलब एक set के अंदर S1 के अंदर मेरे पास तीन entity है, which is 1, 2 and 3. S2 has 2 entities defined in it. Okay, so 1 and 2. So can I say S2 is subset of S1? Can I say it? Can I say it for this particular relation?
Yes.
Is everybody agreeing for that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So for subset, whenever we make subset, we just put a dash over here. Okay. So subset अगर आपको identify करना है तो आपको dash लगाना पड़ेगा. So S2 is subset of S1, which means that whatever is there in a content of S2, it is also a part of S1. So that is the meaning of subset. Okay. Can I say S1 is subset of S2? Can this particular thing be true also? This is true. But what about this? Is S1 a subset of S2?
Yes. Yes.
S1 is a subset of S2. Is S1 having all the components, whatever there in S1? Is it part of S2? S2 के अंदर वो क्या available है? Is 1, 2, 3
No.
there in S2? No, 3 is not there, right? 3 is missing from it. So this condition will not hold true, right? So this condition will not hold true. Okay. So this, what we have discussed, whatever we have discussed over here, this is called as subset. Okay. So from this we can define कि subset का मतलब क्या होता है? Subset का मतलब वो होता है कि अगर एक set के अंदर जितने भी entity हैं, if that is a part of another set, then my first set will be a subset of the second set. Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll go to this proper subset. What is proper subset? So proper subset का जो definition है, I can say that S2 is a proper subset of S1. Proper subset के नीचे dash नहीं होता है. Okay. So we just have a C over there. So C is the notation for proper subset. So for defining a proper subset, the rule is कि S2 has to be subset of S1. This is the first rule. And second rule is S1 should not be a subset of S2. That is the two rules that we need to follow. So rule number 1 and rule number 2. So we have to check two rules. We need to check two conditions. अगर S2 subset है S1 का और S1 जो है वो S2 का सबसेट नहीं है, then we can say that S2 is a proper subset of S1. Okay, I'll just take an example. Let's say I've got S1 as 1, 2 and 3. Okay, मेरे पास 3 वैल्यू है. S2 के अंदर I've also got the same value as 1, 2 and 3. Can I say S2 is a subset of S1? Can I say this?
Yes.
Can I say S1 is also a subset of S2? Can I say
Yes.
the vice versa also? Okay, both are subset of each other, right? But the condition which is proper subset which is S2 is proper subset of S1 will not be correct to say. Why? Because S2 is subset of S1, that is true, but S1 is also a subset of 2. Okay, so the second condition is that the S1 should not be a subset of S2. That is the second condition. Second condition में जो S1 है वो subset नहीं होना चाहिए. Is it clear? So by looking at these two conditions, I can say that S2 is a proper subset of S1. This condition is false. Is it clear? I'll take another example just for your reference. Let's say S1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. S2 is equal to, let's say, 1 and 2. Okay, for this, the condition that I want to check is S2 a proper subset of S1. So for this, you have to check the value. The first condition that you want to check, what is the first condition? Is S2 a subset of S1? Just check it. Just check it. Is it a subset? S2 is a subset of S1?
Yes.
So this condition is true. Now check the second condition. What is the second condition? Is S1 a subset of S2?
No.
No, it is not a subset. Then I can say that S2 is a proper subset of S1. So this is true in that case. Whereas in this case, it was not true. Is it clear?
Yes.
I take another example. एक और example ले लेता हूँ to remove the problem. So let's say S1 करके मेरे पास set है और उसके अंदर मैं 4 वैल्यू ले लेता हूँ, थोड़ा बड़ा ले लेता हूँ, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I've got 4 entities defined in it, 4 values defined in it. I've got S2. S2 has, let's say, 1, 3 and 4. Can I say S2 is a proper set of S1? So for defining this,
Yes.
I need to check two conditions. The first condition is S2 has to be a subset of S1. Is my first condition valid?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a valid condition. What about the second condition? Is S1 a subset of S2? Is S1 a subset of S2? S1 के अंदर
No.
सारे एलिमेंट जो है वो
No.
S2 में है नहीं. So this condition is not there. So second condition is also we are agreeing to that. So now we can say that S2 is a proper subset of S1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. एक और एग्जांपल ले लेता हूँ फिर से. S1 के अंदर let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and S2 के अंदर we have 1 and 5. Okay, so for this, is S2 a proper subset of S1? Can you tell me?
No.
So two condition, S2 is subset of S1. Second condition, S2 is not a S1 is not a subset of S2. Is not a subset of S2. So पहले condition में right होगा या wrong होगा?
Wrong.
So it will be a wrong. So we don't have to check the second condition. So पहली condition अगर आपका fail हो रहा है, that means S2 cannot be considered as a proper subset. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Sir, अगर but S1 is a proper subset of S2 पूछा होगा तो फिर वापस से चेक करने का ना.
S1 is a proper मतलब
S1 is proper subset of S2 होगा तो फिर वापस इधर चेक करते वक्त S1 is a subset of S2 चेक करने का ना.
बराबर. अगर आपको ये कंडीशन चेक करना है S1 is a proper subset of S2 तो आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा is S1 a subset of S2 first. Second condition में क्या होगा? S2 should not be a subset of S1. So in that case I can say that S1 is a proper subset of S2. मतलब बेसिकली बोलने का मतलब ये है S1 और S2 अगर दो की है मेरे पास, दो सुपर की है, उस दो सुपर की में से जो छोटा वाला की रहेगा विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सबसेट, दैट key will be considered as a candidate key, the other key will not be considered as a super key. We'll see an example, we'll take an example and then I think it will get more clear. It is a lengthy process, I can say that. It is once you are clear with this part, ये part अगर clear हो गया, I can guarantee कि आपको future में बहुत काम आने वाला है. इसके लिए आज कुछ भी करके we'll try to clear this concept and then we'll move forward. Okay, whether it will take one lecture, two lecture, it doesn't matter. Okay, so अभी फिलहाल proper subset का definition समझ में आया आपको? How to define proper subset definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो प्रॉपर सबसेट डिफाइन करने के लिए दो कंडीशन चेक करना है. पहला, पहले सेट को दूसरे सेट से चेक करो कि वो सबसेट है कि नहीं. अगर वो सबसेट है, दैट मींस फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज वैलिड कंडीशन. द सेकंड कंडीशन इज सेकंड सबसेट जो है, सेकंड सेट जो है वो पहले का सबसेट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर वो है, देन it is invalid, that condition is invalid. Since it is invalid, S1 cannot be a proper subset of S2. Okay, और प्रॉपर सेट होने के लिए कंडीशन क्या होना चाहिए? पहला कंडीशन S1 यानी पहला सेट दूसरे सेट का सबसेट होना चाहिए और दूसरा सेट पहले सेट का सबसेट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ये दो कंडीशन ट्रू होती है, देन ओनली आई कैन सेट दैट कि फर्स्ट सेट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ सेकंड सेट. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
या सो कैंडिडेट की उस की को बोलते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स से जैसे हमारे पास एक की है ABCD. I've got a key which is called as ABCD. Okay, हमारे लास्ट एग्जांपल में there was a key which was called as ABCD. This was a super key, right? याद है आपको? This was a super key, right? ABCD. हम लोग लास्ट एग्जांपल में जाके देखते हैं. Yeah. So ABCD करके कोई की है यहाँ पे ABCD. Is there a key somewhere defined? Second line में हाँ, we have got a key which is called as ABCD. Okay, अब मुझे चेक करना है ABCD एक की है और एक ACE की है. Okay, I've got a ABCD key and I've got ABCD key. Okay, मैं ये दो की ले लेता हूँ. One is a ABCD and other one is called as a ACE था ना? ACE था ना बोला?
हाँ sir.
Okay, so I've got ABCD and I've got ACE. Okay, so this is considered as S1, this is considered as S2. Okay, out of this I need to find which is my whether S2 is a candidate key or not. Okay, मुझे सिर्फ फाइंड करना है कि ACE जो है मेरा वो कैंडिडेट की है कि नहीं. So यानी S2 जो है मेरा वो कैंडिडेट की है कि नहीं. So उसके लिए कंडीशन क्या है? In order to find whether S2 is a candidate key or not, what I need to check? I need to
Like if S2
I
is
need to
subset
make
of
sure कि
S1.
S2 जो है it should be a proper subset of S1. अगर ये condition true होता है, then only I can say that S2 is a candidate key. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So in this case, is S2 the first condition? What is the first condition that we have? Is S2
S2
a subset of S1? So is it a true condition?
False.
It is false. So I don't have to check the second condition. So in that case, we can say that S2 जो है वो S1 का proper key नहीं है. Okay. Let's say अगर मेरे पास ACD होता, if I would have got ACD over here. Okay. So ACD के case में what would happen? S2 is a subset of S1.
True.
So in that case, it would have become true. It would have become true. What about the other way around? Is S1 not a subset of S2?
Yes.
Is it also true? So it is also correct. Now in that case, I can say that S2 जो है, that is a proper subset of S1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So candidate
sir.
की जो होता है वो क्या होता है? वो सुपर की ही होता है जिसका प्रॉपर सबसेट जो है, इसका कोई भी प्रॉपर सबसेट, जितने भी प्रॉपर सबसेट होंगे वो सुपर की नहीं होने चाहिए. ओके, सो हम क्या करते हैं? सबसे बड़ा वाला की उठाते हैं. ओके, सो द बिगेस्ट की आउट ऑफ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, which is the biggest key over here? ABCD, right? This is a super key, the biggest super key.
Yes.
Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take that super key and we'll find out what are the different proper keys are of it are there. So A, B, C, D, E. इसका proper subset क्या क्या है वो मेरे को बताओ. what are the proper subset are there for it? Can A be considered as a proper subset of it? A can be there,
Yes.
right? What about B? Can B be a proper subset?
Yes.
What about C?
Yes.
C can be proper subset. What about D?
Yes.
Barabar, na? So every combination will be there which will be a proper subset. Every combination will be there, right? हर एक कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा ना उसके
A
अंदर।
B E नहीं होगा सर।
वही मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ अभी आपको, लेकिन हर एक ये सारे प्रॉपर सेट सबसेट है इसके, एवरी वन आर द
Yes.
प्रॉपर सबसेट या। लेकिन as per the rule what is the definition of the candidate key? Just look at the definition. Candidate key is a super key whose proper subset is not a super key. यानी इसके जो proper subset है, these are all the proper subset. अगर उसका कोई भी एक proper subset super key होगा, then that will not be considered as super key. So is A a super key?
No.
A super key है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
है ना? So अगर A super key है, अगर A B C D E का A जो है वो एक proper subset है और वो एक super key है, then we can say that A B C D E is not a candidate key. It is not. Is it clear?
सर और एक बार एक्सप्लेन
एक और बार बताता हूँ, Okay, I'll take another key. मैं कोई और एक की ले लेता हूँ, इसमें से कोई भी एक की उठाता हूँ और मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो सबसेट है कि नहीं, वो कैंडिडेट की है कि नहीं. So I'll take DB over here. मैं DB करके की उठाता हूँ. Okay, DB is a super key. Okay, yeah. So I'll go and I will check whether DB is my candidate key or not. This is what I want to check. So DB का सबसे पहले मेरे को प्रॉपर की क्या क्या है वो मेरे को बताओ. प्रॉपर सबसेट इसका क्या क्या है? What is the proper subset that DB can have?
D and B.
And B are the two proper subset that I can have. उसके अलावा और कोई proper subset है इसका?
No.
No. Then I have to check whether D is a super key और B में से D और B में से कोई भी एक super key है क्या, या दोनों कोई super key है क्या? कोई भी अगर एक super key हुआ, then I can say that DB is not a candidate key. So is D a super key? As per
Yes.
our problem was हम लोग जाएंगे super key के अंदर देखेंगे D super key था क्या मेरा कहीं? Yes, D is a super key, right over here, right?
Yes.
So because D is a super key, D is a super key. As per the definition, what was the definition of a candidate key? Candidate key is a super key whose proper subset is not a super key. लेकिन ये जो है इस की का एक proper subset जो है वो super key है. That means I can say that this key is not a candidate key. Can I say that?
Yes.
सर दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करने के बाद चेक करने का कि सुपर की है कि नहीं, अगर होगा तो फिर कैंडिडेट की नहीं होगा मेन वाला.
Exactly. मैं एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल ले लेता हूँ, ज्यादा बड़ा ना लेके एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. जस्ट इरेज इट. It will take some time to understand this, लेकिन एक बार समझ में आ जाएगा, I can guarantee आपका फिर काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. Okay, yeah. So we'll take a small example just to make sure कि आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आए. So we have got a relation, a table. We have got a table called as T1 और उस table के अंदर we have got A, B and C as the attribute defined. Okay, so ये इसका एक schema है जिसके अंदर तीन attribute है A, B और C करके. Okay, and I've got only one key, one unique key. उसके basis पे मुझे super key identify करना है. So what are the super key that I can have?
A.
I can have, these are the super key that I'm writing down. So super key क्या क्या है मेरे पास? A है, मेरे पास AB है, I have
AC.
AC. उसके अलावा और कोई की?
ABC.
Then I can have ABC. Can I have BC?
No.
BC can be there? No, BC cannot be there because it is both are non-unique. Both are can be similar also. So we cannot have BC as the super key. So we can have only how many super key we can have? What is the number of super key? So the number of super key is equal to 4. So out of these 4, we have to identify who are the candidate key, which are the candidate key that we have. Okay. So हर एक key को हम check करेंगे और check करेंगे कि उसका कोई proper subset जो है वो super key है कि नहीं. So first we'll take A. पहला A ले लेते हैं, या विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लास्ट वन, ABC ले लेते हैं और चेक करते हैं कि इसका कोई प्रॉपर सबसेट है क्या. व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ ABC दैट आई कैन हैव? फाइंड द प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ इट. So first I can have A as the proper subset. Then
Yes.
can I have B as the proper subset? Then I can have C as the proper subset. Then I can have AB as the proper subset. Then I can have AC as the proper subset. Then I can have BC as the proper subset. Okay, can I have ABC also as the proper subset? Can I have this as the proper subset?
No.
No. So this is not a proper subset of ABC. It has to be lower than that. It cannot be 3 अगर attribute का है, so it has to be lower than that. Okay? So इस इतने proper subset में से क्या कोई भी एक ऐसा attribute है या कोई भी ऐसा set है जो कि super key के अंदर है? ऐसा कोई है? कोई भी एक? A है, उसके बाद AB भी है, AC भी है. These super key that we have. Okay? अगर एक भी होता super key, then we can say that this is not a candidate key. So this will not be considered as a candidate key. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now इसका मतलब ये जो है, ये वाला जो key है, can I say that it is not a candidate key?
Yes, sir.
Why it is not a candidate key? Because the proper subset of it is again a super key. Because of that, it cannot be considered as a candidate key. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll look into AC. अब हम AC, तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि ये जो वाला part है, ये वाला key है, it is not considered as a candidate key. Now we'll look at the second key. AC का हम check करते हैं. So AC के अंदर what are the different proper set that I can have? Proper subset of AC.
AC.
We can have A, then we can have C. Can I have AC again? AC करके हो सकता है proper subset?
No.
It is not possible, right? क्योंकि कंडीशन क्या है, S1 should be subset of S2 and S2 should not be a subset of S1. But over here both are subset of each other, right? So AC is not allowed. बराबर?
Yes.
So this is not a proper subset. So we have got only two proper subset. Out of this proper subset, is there any proper subset which is a super key?
A.
A is a super key. A is already there as a super key. So can we say that AC is also not a candidate key?
Yes.
So we can say that AC is also not a candidate key. It is not a candidate key. Now we'll look into AB. AB key check करते हैं. We'll check the AB. Okay. Now AB has how many proper keys? Proper subset. One will be A. A will be considered as a proper subset. Then we'll have B as the proper subset. Okay. Can we have AB as the proper subset?
No.
So only A and only B will be proper two subsets that I'll be having, which will be proper subset of AB. Out of this, is there any proper subset which is already a super key?
A.
So since A is already a super key, we can say that AB is also not a candidate key. बराबर? So AB भी जो है वो candidate key के रेस से निकल जाएगा, बाहर हो जाएगा candidate key से. अब मेरे पास लास्ट A बचा है. Okay? A का मुझे proper subset find करना है. इसका कोई proper subset होगा? Will there be a proper subset of A? No. So since there will be no proper subset, it will be considered as the only set, and because इसका कोई proper subset नहीं है, that means it will be considered as a candidate key. Is it clear?
सर ऐसा होगा तो A मतलब जो सिंगल लेटर्स हो गए वही हो गए कैंडिडेट.
वही होगा, लेकिन कभी-कभी दो के कॉम्बिनेशन में भी आता है. We'll look into that also. So over here in this example, can we say that this is a candidate key?
Yes.
Yeah, because it has only a null set as the pointer, null set as the super key, right? एक ही null set ही होगा ना इसका. अगर मैं इसको differentiate करूंगा तो there will be only a null set जो कि इसका proper set होगा. Null का मतलब which does not have any value in it. So null cannot be considered as a super key, right? Null set super key हो सकता है क्या?
No.
No. So null cannot be a super key. Thus I can say that A is a candidate key. So सिर्फ और सिर्फ candidate key इस particular condition में हमारे पास एक ही candidate key होगा. Since we have got only one candidate key, that key will become a primary key, and we will not be having any secondary key. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll take another example. एक और example लेते हैं समझने के लिए. We'll have let's say there is a table by T1 who have the following attributes in it. Okay, so attribute क्या क्या है? A है, B है, C है, and D है. Okay, out of these attribute, A and D are the key attributes. Consider them as a key attribute, which means every values will be unique in it. Okay, so tell me the combination of super key that we can have. What are the combination of super key that we can have?
A,
First we'll have A.
D,
B can be considered as a super key. B,
D, no.
no. So we'll have a C. No, we'll not be having C also. We'll have D. Can D
Yes.
considered as super key? Yeah. Now we'll make a combination of two twos. So tell me the combination of two twos. So AB can be considered as a super key.
AC,
AC,
AC can be considered as a super key.
AD,
AD,
AD can be considered as a super key. What about BC?
No.
no.
No, cannot be a super key. What about CD? CD
yes,
Yes.
can be considered as a super key. उसके अलावा और कोई combination बच गया है?
BD,
BD can be considered as a super key.
AD,
उसके बाद AD लिया है ना हमने, AD ले चुके हैं already. Then we'll make a combination of 3. दो का combination और कोई
ABC.
combination बनता है क्या? दो का?
no
कि
sir.
वो- Okay. We'll make a combination of 3 now. So combination of 3 are A, B, C.
ABC,
Okay.
BCD,
B, C, D.
CDA,
Then B, D, A.
CDA,
B, D, A के बाद C, D, A. और कोई combination? We have ABC, we have
ABD,
we have
ABD,
ABD. ABD is there ना? BDA लिखा है तो ABD हो जाएगा ना उसका.
Yes, sir.
और कोई combination? Any other combination that I have missed out?
ACD. अच्छा, वो भी होगा.
ACD. ACD. CDA लिखा है. हो गया.
है sir.
हो गया ना सब?
CD हो चुका है.
हाँ.
Okay. Last we can have a combination of 4. So which will be? Only one. Which will be?
ABCD,
ABCD. So ये हमारे पास total number of super key है हमारे पास. Okay. Out of this, what is the total count? Can you tell me the count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
11,
11 or 12?
11,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
12.
11, 12. 12 है.
12.
So we have got 12 number of super key. Out of this, we need to find out what are the different types of candidate key that we can have. Okay. So हम क्या करेंगे? What we can have is, yeah. So कोई भी एक attribute ले लो. We start from the last one. The last one is A, B, C, D. Proper subset that we can have. We can have A. We can have B. लेकिन अगर आपने A देखते ही अगर आपको पता चल गया A जो है आपका, it is a part of super key, right? So do we need to have some other combination? Directly आप बोल सकते हो ना कि ABCD is not a candidate key, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So directly we'll say that this is not a candidate key because A is a superset of ABCD, and A is A is a proper subset of ABCD, and A is a super key. So we can say that ABCD is not a candidate key. We'll look into the next one, which is called as CDA. So tell me, CDA है क्या? Will it be considered
No
as a
sir.
candidate?
no,
It has A in it, so it will be also not considered as a candidate key. This is not a candidate key. BDA, can BDA be considered as a candidate key?
no,
No. What about BCD?
no,
No. What about ABC?
no,
No. What about BD?
no,
No. What about CD?
no,
No.
No. What about AD?
No.
No.
No. What about AC?
No.
no,
No. What about AB?
No.
no,
No. What about D? Just D?
Yes.
yes,
Yes. What about A?
Yes.
yes,
Yes. So we can say that only two keys are there, which is A and D. These are the two keys which will be considered as the candidate key. And from this, I can decide whichever I feel like as a primary key. So if I pick A as my primary key, then B will become what? Secondary key. Or you can also call it as a alternate key. सो ए जो है मैं प्राइमरी की ले लेता हूँ, तो बी मेरा सेकेंडरी की हो जाएगा या अल्टरनेट की हो जाएगा, या मैं चाहूँ तो बी को प्राइमरी की लेके ए को अल्टरनेट की रख सकता हूँ या सेकेंडरी की रख सकता हूँ. इज इट क्लियर?
सर डी.
Sorry, my mistake. D. Is it clear?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
अभी भी एक डाउट ये है कि आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि हर एक की जो है वो एक ही एट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है, राइट?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do what? We'll take an example where we'll do that combination also. So I'll just erase this part. Okay. So in this example that I'll be taking now, I'll be taking a relation by T1. Let's say we have 4 attributes in it, A, B and C and D in it. 4 attribute है मेरे पास. Out of that, A is considered one key and a combination of B and C is considered as a second key. 2 key है हमारे पास. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
So what are the different super key that I can make out of it? What are the different super key that I can have? I can have A, which is already given. B and C is already given. Okay, B और C को भी मैं लिख के रख लेता हूँ. Okay, उसके अलावा just tell me, can B be considered as a super key? Just B. Can B be considered as
No.
super key? No, it cannot be considered
No.
as super key. It cannot be considered as super key because the combination is important. Okay. What about just C? Can we have just C?
No.
So these both cannot be
No.
considered as a super key. So I'll just erase it. Yeah, I will just erase it. Okay. So उसके अलावा what about D? Just D.
No.
D can also not be part of a super key. Now we'll make the combination of it. So can AB be considered as a super key? AB,
Yes.
Yes.
because A is a key, so we can have some other combination also. So AB भी हो सकता है. What about A and C?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we can have. What about A and D?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we'll switch to some other character. What about BC is already been noted down. So BC है. What about B and D? B and
No.
D. B and D cannot be there, right? Because B alone is not a super key. So B and D together cannot be a super key, right? बराबर?
Yes.
Yes.
What about CD?
No.
No. और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन है B के साथ? B के साथ BC के अलावा और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है?
No, sir.
What about D?
BA.
Which one? BA. AB and BA are both same, right?
Yeah.
So as per the characteristic of relation, the order of tuples or the order of column does not have any impact on it. So AB लिखो या BA लिखो, it is one and same. So what about D के combination में? We can have AD. AD is already written down. DA लिखो. What about DB? Can we have that? No. What about DC? We cannot have that
No.
also.
No.
Now we'll make a combination of 3. Tell me, what are the combination of 3 we can have?
ABC.
A, B, C. Then
ABD.
ABD.
ACD.
Then ACD. Or
BCD.
can we have BCD now?
BCD. No.
BCD
Yes,
हो
yes,
सकता है.
yes.
BCD. BCD
Yes.
can be there, right? BC is uniquely identified, so attaching BCD to it, we can do that. Okay. उसके अलावा
BCA.
BCA. That is ABC, right?
Yes, yes.
BCA is ABC only, so we cannot add both the same thing again. So BCD. उसके अलावा और कोई combination? Triplets का कोई combination है?
No.
Any triplets? Combination of all the attributes can we consider as a super key? A, B, C, D.
Yes.
So definitely the combination of all the attribute has to be a super key. Okay. So what is the total number of super key that we have in this table? Count the number. 10, right?
Yes.
So we have got 10
Yes.
number of super keys. Out of this, we have to find out what are the candidate key that we can have. We start from the last. So is ABCD considered as a candidate key? Just tell me by looking at it.
No.
So हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले
No.
अभी किसी लोगों को अगर समझ में नहीं आया proper subset, I will just explain again. ABC को candidate की define करने के लिए first we need to identify what are the proper subset it can have. So the proper subset it can have is A, it can have B, it can have C, it can have D, it can have AB, AC, AD, BC, CD. These are the combination. Out of it, agar ek bhi combination is a super key, that means that key cannot be a candidate key. So we can, by looking at it, pehla hi combination which is A, it is a part of super key, right? So can we say that it is not a candidate key?
Yes.
So ABCD is not a candidate key. Okay, so this is not a candidate key. What about BCD? I'll draw for
No.
BCD. BCD का proper subset क्या होगा? Can you tell me? We can have B, we can have C, we can have D, we can have BC, we can have CD, उसके पास और BD. We can have BD. Out of this, B super key है? B super key है आपका? No. C is not a super key. D is also not a super key. BC is a super key. Is BC super key? Yes. Because it is a super key, it cannot be a candidate key. We'll check the other one. Other one is also not a super key. It is also not a super key. Just because BC was a super key, we can say that BCD is not a candidate key. It is clear? It is clear?
Yes.
So BCD can also be considered as a not a candidate key. What about ACD?
No.
Not a candidate.
It's not a candidate key because it has A in it and A is already a super key. What about ABD?
No.
No.
Not a candidate
No.
key. What about ABC?
No.
No. What about AD?
No.
What about AC?
No.
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 What about
No.
AB?
No. No.
What about BC?
Yes.
BC का हम proper subset बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay. So BC के proper set क्या क्या होंगे? What will be the proper subset of B? So we'll have
B and C.
have C. Okay. उसके अलावा BC तो नहीं होगा. So क्या B super key है? Is B a super key?
No.
No. Is C
No.
a super key? So
No.
that means
No.
none of its proper subset is a super key, because of which we can say that BC is a candidate key.
Candidate.
Is it clear? Is the point clear now?
Yes, sir.
And last we have A. What about A?
Yes.
So A का proper subset हम बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो A के पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही proper subset है, which is null.
Null.
And null cannot be an attribute. Okay, so that means it is not a super key. So A is the only value that we can have. So thus इसके कोई भी proper subset जो है वो super key नहीं है. So we can say that A is a candidate key. So what are the how many candidate key we can have? Which are the candidate keys we have?
B and A.
B, C and A are the only two candidate key that we'll be having, and out of that we can choose any of it as the primary key. So अगर primary key मैंने BC को रखा, so who will be my secondary key?
A.
It will be my secondary key. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will just take a real-time example. एक real-time example ले लेता हूँ. Okay. I'll just delete all this thing. Okay. So मैं एक student का table बनाता हूँ. I'll make a student as का table. I've got a student table. In that student table, the content that I have or the number of rows. Tell me the column name or the attribute that a student can have.
Roll number, name.
Roll number होगा, उसके अलावा name होगा,
Code.
department होगा,
Contact number.
then we can have contact number. बस इतने ही लगते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं लगते. Okay. Out of this value, which will be आपके हिसाब से which will be the key attribute? Which will
Roll number.
roll number will be the key attribute. उसके अलावा contact can be also unique, right? Everybody will have the unique
Yes.
contact number.
Yes.
So these two will be considered as the key attribute. So out of this, please make a list of super key. So what are the super keys that we can have? Can we have roll number and name?
Roll number.
We can have roll number. Then can we have name as a super key? Can
No.
name be considered as super key?
No.
Can we have department as a super key?
No.
No.
Can we have contact number as a super key?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we have contact number as a super key? We'll make a combination of it. So roll number or name, can it be considered as super key?
Yes.
Yes.
Roll number and name can be considered as super key. What about roll number and department? Can it be considered as super key?
Yes.
Yes.
We have roll number and department also considered as super key. What about roll number and contact?
Yes.
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 Roll number and contact can also be considered as a super key. What about और कोई combination बचा क्या?
Name and contact.
We can have name and contact. Can it be considered as super key?
Yes.
No.
Can we have department and contact as a super key?
Yes.
We can have, right? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is understanding. I'm just hearing one or two voices.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So department and contact
Yes,
can
sir.
also be considered as a super key. Okay. उसके अलावा any double or
No.
double combination we can have. Okay. Now we'll go into the triplets. So what are the triplets that we can have? Roll number,
Roll number, name,
Name,
department.
Name department.
name and department. Okay. Then we have
roll number,
Roll
department,
number, name,
contact.
contact.
roll number, department, and contact.
Roll number, name, contact.
Then we have roll number,
Name and contact.
name, and contact.
Name, department, and
Name,
contact.
department, contact.
Perfect. Name, department, and contact. Any other combination of triplets?
No.
Okay. We'll have the last one, which will be all the attributes. Which will be
Roll
roll,
number, name, department, contact.
department, and contact. So these are the different super keys we have. What are the total number? What is the total count of it?
Twelve.
12.
12 different types of super key that we have. Out of this, we have to find out which are the candidate key that we have. Okay, so we start from the last one. So roll number, name, department, and contact. तो इसके अगर प्रॉपर सबसेट निकालो तो रोल होगा, नेम होगा, डिपार्टमेंट होगा, कॉन्टैक्ट होगा, रोल नेम होगा, रोल डिपार्टमेंट होगा. सो इसमें से रोल नंबर इज अगेन अ सुपर की, सो बाकी चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो दिस विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज अ कैंडिडेट की और नॉट अ कैंडिडेट की.
Not a candidate.
So it is not a candidate key. What about name, department, and contact?
No.
Not a candidate.
Not a
It is not a
candidate.
candidate key. It is not a candidate key. What about roll number, name, and contact?
No.
Not a
Not a candidate key. What about role, department, and contact?
No.
No. What about roll number, name, and department?
No.
No. What about department and contact?
No.
What about name and contact?
No.
No. What about roll number and contact?
No.
No.
What about roll number and department? No. What about roll
No.
number, name? No. What about just
No.
contact?
Yes.
Just contact?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
contact will be there. What about roll number? Just roll number?
Yes.
Yes.
The total candidate key that we can have is 2, which is the roll number we can have as the candidate key, and then we can have the contact as the second candidate key. Out of this, we can have only one as the primary key. So whichever you feel like. So we generally have the roll number as the primary key. So that will be considered as the primary key, and the other one will be considered as the alternate key or secondary key. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So that is the definition of that we have considered. So अगर आप देखोगे, there is a definition, there is a point which has been written down somewhere. आपने primary key के अंदर लिखा है, which is the minimal of a super key. Okay. There is a point which is called as a minimal of a super key. So minimal का मतलब क्या होता है कि सबसे छोटा super key that would be considered as a candidate key. So candidate key जो होता है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा छोटे से छोटा होता है. So 4 attribute cannot be considered as candidate key. उससे छोटा 3 होगा. अगर उसके यहाँ कोई subset नहीं होगा तो that is taken as the secondary considered as a candidate key. लेकिन उससे भी छोटा अगर आपको मिल गया 2 attribute वाला तो वो minimal हो जाएगा. उससे छोटा मिला 1, then it will be considered as a minimal key. So at the end that we get as the candidate key, that is considered as the minimal of the super key. Is it clear? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is all you should know in the super key and candidate key. So I think, are you able to now identify which are the different candidate key that we can have in a table? क्या आप ये निकाल सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I will just for an assignment, not an assignment, just for your sake, आप मेरे को बाद में बताना इसका रिजल्ट, कल बताना, या जब भी हमारा लेक्चर होगा. कल लेक्चर है हमारा? नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से. I think we have on Thursday. तो थर्सडे को जब भी आप आओगे लेक्चर में, प्लीज स्टूडेंट या टीचर के अंदर, या आई विल हैव अ टीचर या टेबल के अंदर आई विल बी हैविंग फॉलोइंग एंटिटीज इन इट. ओके, इसके अंदर कुछ एट्रीब्यूट मैं लिख लेता हूँ. सो आई विल बी हैविंग द एम्प्लॉय आईडी, देन आई विल बी हैविंग एम्प्लॉय नेम. उसके अलावा आई विल बी हैविंग एम्प्लॉय कॉन्टैक्ट. Okay, then I'll be having the course, and then I'll be having major. Okay, so what is the meaning of it? हर एक मैं अपना एक एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. So my employee ID is 618. My name is Ahmed. Okay, my contact number is 9082488161. Okay, so that is my contact number. The course that I generally take, my course is basically, currently I'm taking DBMS, but my major is in security. Okay, is it clear? So ऐसे बाकी सबका डिटेल होगा इसके अंदर सबका डिटेल होगा. So out of this entity or EID just that we have, that is unique every time. The contact that we have, every faculty will have the different contact number, and then course and major के combination will have a unique entity, or will help in identifying uniquely each tuple. So the combination of course and major will help you to uniquely identify. So I'll repeat again, who are the entities which will help in identifying uniquely each tuple. एक सिर्फ employee ID होगा. I'll just write down over here. So we'll have the key attribute as employee ID. Then we have employee contact. And then we have a combination of course and major. Course and major. Okay. So basically आपको इसका सुपर की निकालना है. कैंडिडेट की तो यही रहने वाला है एंड में, एंड इसमें से कोई एक आप चुनोगे एज अ प्राइमरी की. बराबर ना?
हाँ सर.
Okay. So rather than giving this as an example, I will just one second. I will just change the question. This is pretty simple and straightforward. Yeah, I will do what? मैं एक table बना देता हूँ. I'll make a table. I'll put an entries into it. I will be calling as A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. A have the values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the correct example actually for solving it. B will have let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. C will have 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, and 9. D will have values as 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, and E will have a value such as 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so ये आपका टेबल है. इसमें से आपको फाइंड करना है कि कौन सी की एट्रीब्यूट है, क्या कौन सा सुपर की है. So can we do it? We have got time, right? टाइम है हमारे पास. फटाफट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So from it, can you tell me which are the super keys that we can have? Can we have A as the super key?
A, C.
Can A be considered as a key?
A and C.
Okay. So और कोई यूनिक आइडेंटिफाई करना है? B नहीं है ना? B नहीं हो सकता. C हो सकता है?
नहीं
2, 3,
सर.
5, 7, 6
हाँ सर.
So C can also be there as a key. उसके अलावा D हो सकता है आपका. D
No.
No. Can E be there? Can E be uniquely identify E?
No.
No.
AB.
Now we'll look into AB. AB हो जाएगा क्योंकि A है तो AB भी हो जाएगा,
हाँ.
उसको चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. AC हो जाएगा, बराबर.
BC.
AD हो जाएगा, AD हो जाएगा, AE हो जाएगा, बराबर ना. ये सारे हो जाएंगे. Now we'll look into BC. BC है क्या? 1 2 2 3 1 5 2 7 1 6 3 9. So 1 तो है लेकिन 6 जो है और यहाँ पे 1 5 और यहाँ पे 1 2 है, इसका मतलब रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है ना. So can we have BC also?
Yes, sir.
So BC can also be considered as a super key.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll look into
CD.
CD 2 2 है, 3 2 है, 5 3 है, 7 3 है, 6 5 है, 9 4 है. We can also have CD over here.
CD. Yes.
CD भी होगा. What about DE? DE होगा 2 1 2 1 होगा. Can
No.
No.
DE cannot be there. DE cannot be there. What about BD? BD 1 2 2 2 1 3 2 3 1 5 3 4. BD होगा ना. BD. Just look at B and D.
Yes.
There is 1 2 which is unique, 2 2 is a unique, 1 3 is a unique, 2
Yes,
3 is a
sir.
unique, 1 5 is a unique, 3 4 is a unique. So BD will be definitely there. उसके अलावा
Sir.
DE होगा. DE 2 1 2 1 not possible.
CE.
नहीं होगा ना. DE.
No, sir. CE.
CE
CE.
CE.
1 1 2 1 1 1. BE भी नहीं हो सकता. 1 1 आ गया दो बार. 1 1 यहाँ पे भी है और 1 1
Sir.
यहाँ पे. हाँ.
Sir, CD होगा.
CE
आपने यहाँ पे लिखा है CD. आपने लिखा है ना.
CD लिखा है ना मैंने.
हाँ बट तो होगा क्या.
CD होगा ना क्योंकि 2 2 है, 3 2 है, 5 3 है, 7 3 है, 6 5 है, 9 4 है. So every time we are getting a new entry, right?
Okay.
So होगा
CE.
CE
CE.
2 1 3 1 5 1 7 2 9. Yeah, CE can be there. CE can be there. Okay, और कोई दो का combination है क्या? Any two combination that we can have? नहीं ना?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll make a combination of 3. Tell me fast. Combination of 3.
ABC.
ABC होगा, ACD होगा. तो वो सब डालने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि A है ऑलरेडी, तो A के कॉम्बिनेशन को चेक करने की जरूरत भी नहीं मेरे ख्याल से. बराबर ना. We'll just add it. डाल देते हैं ABC समझने के लिए. We can have ABC, we can have ACD, we can have ADE. और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन A के साथ ACE. बराबर. Any other combination?
ABE.
ABE. ABE. Any other combination? Any other combination with A? No. Now we'll look into
No.
BCD. BCD के साथ देखो 1 2 2 2 3 2 1 5 3 2 7 3 1 6 5 3 9 4. So BCD can also be
BCD.
considered.
Yes.
BCD can be there, right? So अभी टाइम नहीं है तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, इधर ही रुक जाता हूँ एंड लास्ट में ABCD ही ले लेता हूँ. आप बाकी इसको कंप्लीट करना. ABCDE can be considered as a super key. Now we'll try to find out which are the super key, which are the candidate key that we have right till now. Till now, okay? आपको ये कंप्लीट करना है पूरा. If you have time, please take a screenshot of it. इसको कंप्लीट करके मेरे को फाइनल आंसर कल बताना. बट फिलहाल के लिए ABCD हम चेक करते हैं. So can ABCD या कैंडिडेट की?
No.
No, because A जो है वो ऑलरेडी सुपर की है, so it cannot be considered as a candidate key. What about BCD?
No.
BC का प्रॉपर सबसेट जो आप निकालोगे B है, C है और D है. So C ऑलरेडी है, तो BCD नहीं हो सकता, right? What about ABE?
Yes.
ABE is also not a candidate key.
No.
ACE?
No.
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 ADE?
No.
No. ACD?
No.
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 ABC?
No.
No.
What about
No.
CE? CE?
No.
No, because C जो है, which is a proper subset, it is already a super key. So no. What about BD? BD का अगर प्रॉपर सबसेट अगर आप निकालोगे तो क्या आएगा? B और D.
B and D.
सो बी प्रॉपर सबसेट है और डी भी प्रॉपर सबसेट है. क्या दोनों सुपर की है? बी और डी?
No.
इज बी एंड डी बोथ आर सुपर की? नो. कोई भी इसमें से एक सुपर की है? नो. सो विल बी डी कंसीडर एज अ कैंडिडेट की?
Yes.
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 BD has to be a candidate key. So ये हमारा पहला candidate key मिल गया. What about CD now? CD
No.
No.
जो है that is a super key.
सर
It will not be
बीडी
a
कैसे सुपर
candidate
की
key.
होगा? उसमें 2 रिपीट हो रहा है.
Yes,
BD
sir.
के अंदर 2 repeat किधर हो रहा है? BD just look at BD. 1 2 2 2 1 3 2 3 1 5 3 4. Every row has a different
Yes, yes, sir.
entries in it,
Sorry.
right? Yeah. So दो रिपीट होगा उसमें
Yes,
उसमें
sir.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. रो के अंदर रिपीट होना चाहिए. ओके, कॉलम के अंदर रिपीटेशन चलता है. ओके, सो बीडी क्लियर है ना सबका?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about BC? Can BC be a
No.
candidate key? No. What about A?
No, sir.
AE?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No.
What about AB? Sorry, AD.
No.
AD?
No.
No. What about AC?
No.
AB? No.
No.
What about P?
No. Yes.
Yes.
C होगा ना, एक ही तो है,
Yes.
उसका नल होगा ना दूसरा.
हाँ.
तो C has to be there. What about A? Has to be.
Yes.
Yes.
तो अभी तक फिलहाल
Yes.
इसमें और भी होंगे कॉम्बिनेशन, और भी बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन होंगे, बट फिलहाल वी हैव गॉट 3 keys in it which are BD, A and D. These are my 3 candidate key. Out of that I can choose any one of that as the primary key and the other 2 will remain as the alternate key. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
So I think the time is over. So should I give an assignment? Last
Yes.
assignment इसको रहने दो, आप इसी के बेसिस पे आपको एक असाइनमेंट करना है, कर लोगे आप? Should I give a final question?
हाँ, sir.
Please do it so that मैं लास्ट में अगली बार मैं जब सवाल पूछूं तो हर एक का जवाब सेम आना चाहिए. So for that sake, I just want to know if everybody is able to understand it or not. Okay. So I've got A, B, C, and D. I've got only 4 rows. Okay. Each row will have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. B will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. C will have 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and D will have 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so please take a screenshot of it, take a photograph of it if it is possible, and try to solve it on your own. Tell me the total number of super keys. Tell me the different combination of super keys. Tell me the total number of candidate key that you have found. Tell me the combination of candidate key that you have found. Tell me the primary key you have chosen. Tell me the alternate key that you have found. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this question can also become in your paper. So paper में सीधा ऐसा table दे दिया जाएगा, and they will ask you to find out the different combination, or they find out the different candidate key that it can have, or they find out the different alternate key or the primary key that you can find out from this particular table. So you also have to do that. Find out the super key, find out the count of super key, find out the candidate key, find out the count of candidate key, find out the primary key, find out the remaining alternate key. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. हाँ, किसी को डाउट है?
अगर कैंडिडेट की सिर्फ एक ही मिलता है तो प्राइमरी की और सेकेंडरी की क्या होगा?
प्राइमरी की वही कैंडिडेट की ही प्राइमरी की होगा, एंड देयर विल बी नो अल्टरनेट की, देयर विल बी नो सेकेंडरी की. सेकेंडरी की होगा ही नहीं आपका. ओके. या. एनीबॉडी एल्स हैज एनी डाउट?